Today the topic of the class is bilinear transformation. This topic is from IIR filter, digital filter. In this class you will be understanding how to solve the problems using bilinear transformation. Okay, let us start the problem. The given question is obtain h of z from h of s. What is h of z? Transfer function of the digital filter. H of s is a transfer function or system function of an analog filter. So, analog filter transfer function is given to you. You have to find h of z when capital T is equal to 1 second using bilinear transformation. The first question is h of s is equal to 2s by s square plus 0.2s plus 1. Second one is h of s is equal to s cube by s plus 1 multiplied by s square plus s plus 1. Let us start the first problem. So, before start of problem, the bilinear transformation equation you are all remembering. I hope we have done it in the previous class. You have to put s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse in h of s to get h of z. I hope now the solution is very clear before you. H of s is given to you. You have to find h of z using bilinear transformation, and what you have to do, you have to substitute s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse. If you put s value as this equation in h of s, we will get h of z. Okay, the first solution. Let us see the first solution. H of s is equal to 2s by s square plus 0.2s plus 1. So, substitute in place of s this equation, and capital T is given as 1 second. Okay. So, first substitute s, 2 times of s, 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse by s square 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse the whole square plus 0.2 s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse plus 1. So, we have substituted s equation in h of s. Now, substitute t is equal to 1 second. So, you will get, it becomes 4, 2 to the 4, 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse by 2 1 minus z to the power minus 1 by 1 plus z to the power minus 1 the whole square plus 0.4 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse plus 1, like this. This is whole square, no? This is s square, and what is s here? This complete thing. So, it will become 4. Okay. So, it will become 4. So, 4 into 1 minus z to the power minus 1 by 1 plus z inverse divided by 4, 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse the whole square plus 0.4 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse plus 1. Okay. So, let us simplify this. It will be on denominator part 1 minus z inverse 4 into 1 minus z inverse, 4 into 1 minus z inverse the whole square plus 0.4, 1 minus z inverse, 1 plus z inverse plus 1 plus z inverse the whole square, and it will become 1 plus z to the power minus 1. Okay, 4 1 minus z inverse into 1 plus z inverse, the whole square. On opening the bracket, it is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So it will come as 1 minus z to the power of minus 2 by 4 times of a minus b the whole square, 1 minus 2 z to the power minus 1 plus z to the power of minus 2 plus 0.4, this is a square minus b square, a minus z to the power minus 2, this is square na, so plus 1 plus 2 z inverse plus z to the power of minus 2, like this. 4 into 1 minus z inverse by 4 1 minus 2 z inverse plus z to the power minus 2 plus 0.41 minus z to the power minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 z inverse plus z to the power of minus 2. On simplifying further, we will get it as 0.7407 minus 0.7407 z to the power minus 1 by 1 minus 1.111 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.8519 z to the power of minus 2. Okay, 0.7407 minus 0.7407 z to the power minus 1 by 1 minus 1.111 z inverse plus 0.8519 z to the power minus 2. This is h of z. Okay, so what we have done, h of s is given to us, this is h of s, on substituting we will getting h of z as this one. Okay, I hope it is clear. So what is the conclusion from here? Once again I write the result for your convenience. So what is given? H of s is given as 2s by s square plus 0.2s plus 1. We are applying bilinear transformation. This is h of s. On applying bilinear transformation, we get capital H of z, which is coming to be as 0.7407 minus 0.7407 z to the power minus 1 by 1 minus 1.111 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.8519 z to the power of minus 2. So for converting h of s to h of z, what is the equation you have to put? S is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse. In this question, capital T is given as 1. Okay. Let us see the second solution. What is the second question? H of s is given as s square by s plus 1 s square plus s plus 1. Analog transfer function is given. You have to transform to obtain h of z using bilinear transformation. So what you have to do, you have to put s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse with capital T as 1 is given. Okay, so substitute s. So h of z becomes s is equal to 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse, this is s, the whole square, by s value is 2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse plus 1, s plus 1. Now s square 2 by t 1 minus z to the power minus 1 by 1 plus z inverse the whole square plus s2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse plus 1. Okay, and now put t is equal to 1. So, you will be getting h of z equation finally to be as, on putting capital T as 1 second in this equation, you will be getting capital H of z as 0.381 minus 1.1429 z to the power of minus 1 plus 1.1429 z to the power of minus 2 minus 0.381 z to the power of minus 3 divided by 1 minus 1.1905 z to the power minus 1 plus 0.7143 z to the power minus 2 minus 0.1429 z to the power of minus 3. Okay, this is h of s given to you. You have obtained h of z by substituting s s2 by t 1 minus z inverse by 1 plus z inverse. S square s plus 1, this is again s square plus s plus 1. After substituting t is equal to 1 second in this equation and simplifying, you will get the solution. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, post in the comment section. Thank you. Good luck, students.